YT Influencer Review. Welcome to my channel and this review of a new product that just came out called YT Influencer, and that stands for YouTube Influencer, and it's from Chris Derenberger, who is a real master at YouTube and using it to make money online. And so this is his newest course that just came out, and talks about using YouTube to generate affiliate marketing income. And we're going to go through the sales page here. I'll take you inside the members area so you can see exactly what you're getting, and then talk about the optional upsells that are not needed but could help. So YT Influencer, it's a really great product. Like I said, I did get review access. I went through the training and the videos, and really top notch. And I've been following Chris for several years, and I've pretty much purchased all of his training because he does what he teaches. Which is kind of unique. Not everybody actually does what they put out in courses, and Chris does, so I know his things work, okay? And part of what he teaches here is also how you can even get a lot of free products because you're going to be reviewing them. So this is really low cost. It's just $12.95. And basically what it's covering is how to use traffic from YouTube to generate sales via affiliate marketing. And so this is kind of a, just nice overview of the breakdown. Basically, you're going to join an affiliate program, and this can work with really both physical products and digital products. So you're not limited. This method works for both physical and digital products. And so you can use all kinds of different affiliate platforms for this method. So this could be affiliate platforms like Amazon or ShareASale, as well as digital platforms, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Sell Health, Market Health. There's tons and tons. You can even use this with CPA platforms as well. So you're not limited with this method. So you're going to join an affiliate program. You're going to get your affiliate link. You're going to put a video up on YouTube with your link. And then you're going to take advantage of all the free traffic that YouTube generates. And a lot of people are going to watch your video because they're looking for products, okay? And this is just a fact. A lot of people, when they're looking for a product, maybe it's, a home generator, right? They will go to Google, and a lot of people will go to YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine behind Google. And as most people know, Google owns YouTube. And so they really want to push Google and YouTube as the two main search engines in the world, which they are. And so a lot of people, when they're looking, they like to see reviews, and not just written reviews like they would find on Google, but they want to see video reviews. They want to see the product. They want to see how it works. They want to see what you get. And so again, for maybe a gas generator, right? So people might go in to YouTube and they would type out the name of the product plus review, and boom, they'll find videos. And this is basically what this method does. And again, that could be physical products. It can be digital products, okay? And then you get paid a commission when people find your review and make a purchase through your affiliate link. So let's jump inside the training center. So when you get access, there's a welcome area. Here we are in the training center. This is where the meat of the training is if you just purchase the front end. And again, it's only $12.95, so super cheap. I think there's about almost 30 videos right now in the training area. Let me get it myself out of the way so you can see. So we kind of got it broken down into three main sections. This first section just talks about kind of what you need to do to prepare to implement this method. So just kind of going through some mindset stuff, proof. So that's always nice to know that it does work. Again, where you can find different products to promote from various affiliate networks, different types of affiliate products. Now, there's different types of videos that you can make, and he breaks that down. You can do what are called buyer intent videos, review videos, solving problem videos, how you can implement using coupons and discounts to help get sales, and then informational videos. And then in the second section, he talks about going ahead and getting started. Basically, he walks you through how to set up a channel if you've never done that before, how to get your channel verified, how to make these different videos. So just, not only what type of videos to make, but actually how to make them. Recording of physical products, if that's what you're doing. how to rank without actually owning the product. So you don't even need to own the product, and you can still get your video ranking and making sales. And then if you want to do digital products, how to record that, how to edit your videos with CapCut. This is a free software that is really, really powerful and works great. Creating faceless videos using AI. So you may not want to, and when you make these videos, you don't have to show your face or use your voice, but you certainly can, like I'm doing in this video right now, but you don't have to. You can make review videos just with your voice and showing your screen, or with your phone using the product or showing the product. And so he goes about how to do all that. But you can also make faceless videos using different AI software, and that's what he talks about here. So if you don't want to show your voice or show your face or use your voice, then he shows you how to do that using AI software. How to create your thumbnails. He talks about the YouTube algorithm so you can understand what it takes to get your video shown. So that's one of the biggest things that people struggle with, is how do I get my video found, right? There's millions and billions of videos online on YouTube. So how do they find it? He talks about that. He shows you some examples, how to use some of the filters within YouTube, how to cloak your affiliate links, and then using a free add-on called vidIQ that can definitely help a lot. And then the third part of your training, he goes over some different case studies, which are pretty cool. He shows you how he took a new product on a new channel and got it ranking right away. So you can do the same. And then he also shows an example of how, one of the benefits of this method is you can do the work one time, you make that review video, and you put it up on YouTube. And so you're done with that. You've moved on to making other videos, and yet that video can still generate traffic and sales even though you did it a month ago or a year ago, or in this example, he shows a 3-year-old video that continues to make sales for him today. And so that is the training, these 3 different sections. There are upgrades. That's under the more training. We'll jump into the affiliate page so you can see exactly what they are. His VIP Facebook group, I think it's going to be $7 a month. And Chris really provides great support. He's there. He's answering questions. He's giving information. There's a case study that you can pick up. If you're into launch jacking, this may be a training worth looking into. And then if you really want to get into the nuts and bolts of how to rank your videos, this is probably something to consider because it has a lot more tips and tricks beyond what you get on the front end training. And then his kind of flagship YouTube course that shows how to very quickly monetize a channel if you want to also try to make money on your channel from AdSense. So the course, Y2 Influencer, all this training that we covered is really talking about using YouTube to make money with affiliate marketing. Because the truth is, you'll make actually a lot more money from YouTube with affiliate marketing sales than you will from AdSense. It takes a big channel, lots of subscribers, lots and lots of views in order to make any kind of decent income from AdSense. But if you do want to do that as another option, then this course may be something to pick up. So let's jump over to the affiliate page. This is Chris's Warrior Plus profile. And as you can see, he's got lots of products out there. He's had over 11,000 sales, on Warrior Plus, and all his products get ranked, 4.5 to 5 stars because they're just quality products. Now, what are the upsells? Well, the front end, like we talked about, is $12.95. It's a steal. I wouldn't miss out on that. And then these are the optional upsells. So this is that bump offer. We talked about the case study about making $400,000 in 3 months. So that may be something to look at. And then if you want to get into launch jacking is when a new product comes out. There's a lot of buzz around it, and how to take advantage of all that buzz and excitement to make sales. Okay, and so this is certainly worth looking at if you want to get into that launch jacking scene, $67. And then lastly, this is the ranking expert. Okay, so how to get your videos to show at the top of YouTube. Not easy to do, and there's some insider tricks that you can learn. It's not a cheap course, $147. But it works, okay? I paid a lot more from Chris to learn a lot of the things he's teaching here. And so this is definitely worth it if you want to learn those tricks. And now he does make a note, hey, some of these strategies, YouTube doesn't really like them, and they kind of go against their terms and services, but they really do work. I can vouch for that. I use these same techniques in ranking my videos, and they definitely do work. So those are your upsells. If you have any questions at all, send me a text, reach out to me in a comment, and I'd be happy to answer them. But definitely pick this up. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description box down below, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much for watching this review.